Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have another unboxing and today it's of a Colourpop mystery box. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. I post 2 to 3 videos a week all about makeup and beauty. If you like what you see here today, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave, but why don't we get into it. I have here in front of me one of the Colourpop mystery boxes. I did have 3 available for purchase. I did go for the kind of one down the middle. I do believe they had one which was $29, the one that I purchased which I think was $49, and then they did have one to purchase which was around about $80 or $90. Couldn't quite justify shelling out the 80 something dollars for that one, but I was tempted by the fact that this one came with free international shipping, so it was the middle one that I picked up, because if I would have bought the $29 one I would have paid $10 shipping and taxes and things anyway, so it kind of made sense for me to purchase this one. I am fully aware the reason why they are selling mystery boxes is to get rid of surplus stock in their warehouse, but I was suckered in and I didn't feel like it was too bad of a price because it did say that it was going to have $102 worth of value. Just to break down what this box did cost me in total, it was $49 and then I did have to pay tax of $9.80, so it was $58.80, which did come out my bank at around about £44. And like I say, it did say it was going to have $102 worth of value. So when I did check their website the other day, these mystery boxes were still available. I'm not sure if that's the case now. I did actually bring my tablet up here with me because I haven't even opened this box yet. I don't know what's in here, but I do want to see if I can get that $102 worth of value. So I thought I would bring my tablet up and then I can kind of go through live and work out the prices of things. This box did just literally arrive this morning, so because I was filming tonight I was able to wait and say this will kind of be my first impressions of what's in here. Opening it up, we do have the insides here. I do really like that they have kind of gone for bespoke boxes with the question marks and everything for these mystery boxes, and as you can see the box is jam-packed. So let's see what I got. The first thing I can see on top here is a single shadow. This is in the shade Hop On and it does appear to be a matte shadow. It's a really pretty shade. It's almost like a kind of cherry / watermelon red shade, but I don't know how much use I would get out of a shade like that because I wouldn't know what to kind of do with it. What I've decided to do with any product from this box that I'm not really interested in keeping, I'll obviously see if friends and things want them, but I am actually going to do a giveaway at the end of the month, so I'll just put anything to one side that isn't getting passed on to go in that giveaway. I did recently hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel and I did promise I would do a giveaway for that, but I think I'm going to save it towards the end of the month. So stay tuned to my channel for that. But I'm just going to see if I can find out the price of this shade or generally their single shadows. So it looks like they do still have this single shadow available on their website and it is $4.50. The next thing we have here is from what looks to be their cherry line. This is one of their cream gel liners. This is in the shade Cherry Pie. So this might be a red eyeliner. Have a look. So really cute packaging with the cherries on the lid, but yes, this looks to be a red eyeliner, which I definitely would not know what to do with. This is another product that is probably going to go straight into the giveaway because red just really isn't my colour and I just don't think it'd look good on me. So yeah, another one for the giveaway. And again, it's another product that does still appear to be available for purchase, and this one is $7. Looking at the pictures on the website, it does look really nice, but I just don't think I can pull off red eyeliner without looking crazy. Next we have one of their Lippy Sticks, and this one is in the shade Who Run This, and this is in their Matte X formula. Based on the neutral colours on the box, this one's looking quite promising. So that is how their usual Lippy Sticks come. This doesn't appear to be in limited edition packaging or anything, and this appears to be a really nice deep nude shade. Might give this one a little swatch because I'm pretty certain I'm going to keep this one. Okay, so that is definitely a deeper shade than I thought it was going to be, and it is more of a kind of terracotta shade, but really pretty and something that'll be really nice for the autumn months. Considering it said it's the Matte X formula, that seemed to glide on quite easily, but yeah, I'll definitely be keeping hold of that, obviously because I've swatched it now. But That colour to me there seems definitely more brown toned than the actual swatch, but that looks pretty good. So yeah, I'll give that one a go. So I think I need to have two piles going on here. I can't remember how much their Lippy Sticks are, but I believe they're all the same price. So I'm just going to search for one of them as opposed to that shade. And I appear to have the slowest internet in the world. So their Lippy Sticks are $7 each. The next item I have is one of their Lippy Pencils, and this one is in the shade Ashton. And we do have another neutral shade, which is good. I did a while ago pick up one of their Lippy Pencils collections, so I don't actually know if this is a shade that I already have. I can't be bothered to go up there and get them because I've got the box of my knee and everything like that. So I'm not going to swatch this one just in case. If I do have it, obviously I will put it into the giveaway. If not, I will probably be keeping this one because it does look like a really nice nude shade. Also one that's kind of on the cool tone side, so I do quite like that one. The Lippy Pencil collection that I did get is predominantly nude shade, so I say there is a good chance that I do have this one already, but I do need to double check. It is showing that the Ashton pencil is still on the website, but whenever I click on it to get a price, it just takes me to an offer they have today for a free Lippy pencil when you spend $20. So it's not actually giving me the price of the Lippy pencils. I've clicked on all different shades and it keeps just taking me to this deal. So I don't know how much the Lippy pencils are, which is really annoying. I think they're around the $5 mark, but I'm not 100% sure. They might be $5.50. So I'm going to count it as $5 because it just won't let me have a price. The next item in here is one of their So Juicy Plumping Glosses. This one is in the shade Princess Cut. I haven't heard the best of things about these glosses, to be honest, and yeah, I did think it might have been the clear one. I'm definitely not into clear glosses. I do like a quite pigmented gloss, so this one definitely isn't for me. And I don't really like glosses in these squeezy tubes, and I don't like plumping lip glosses, so this kind of puts across on all the boxes for me. So this is one I will definitely be putting in the giveaway. But it is nice that we have had 3 different lipstick formulas so far. So my plan doesn't seem to be working because my internet is just being so slow and it is taking forever for each page to load. So what I might have to do instead is put the prices up of the products as I'm editing and then just put a grand total value at the end. So far we have about $20 worth of value, which is not bad for just 4 items so far. But I was hoping I could kind of live look up the prices, but yeah, my internet's not corresponding and it's taken forever, and it is already quite late at night and I just need to try and get this video filmed. So apologies, I won't be verbally saying the value of each of the items, but I will put it up on the screen. The next item I've received is this mascara. This is the Act Natural Defining Mascara, and I got this one in the shade Black. I do believe they also do this in brown, but I am quite glad that I've got the black one. So this is really cute packaging. I do tend to like a more dramatic look with my lashes than kind of natural, so I don't know if this is going to be one for me, but I will definitely give it a go. So I'm going to have a look. It does look like your kind of standard mascara wand, but I'll give this one a go and see what it's like. I can't remember exactly how much this is, but I do believe it's around the $7 or $8 mark, but obviously I will be confirming on the screen. Then we are on to the next layer of bubble wrap. Next thing we have here is a Super Shock Cheek. This is one of their blushes, I presume. This is in the shade Brut Flute and is a Super Shock Cheek Pearlized. So this might be from their wine collection, just based on the colour story, the packaging and things. Yeah, I would say that's from that line. So this is how this looks. I have tried Super Shock shadows, but I've never tried any of the Super Shock cheek products. So this is quite a new one to try, and it is a really pretty shade. It does look quite deep and it does say it's pearlized, and I do tend to like more of a matte, maybe satin blush rather than pearlized, but I am quite intrigued, and so far out of everything I've opened I'm only keeping one product, so I might give this one a go and I'll give it a little swatch. That is definitely smoother to the touch than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so this colour's not as intimidating once it's on, and it does blend out quite nicely. It is more of a pink toned red, so that might be quite nice actually, and something a little different. The only thing is I'm not really sure how I apply this. Do I use my finger or do I use like a dense brush? If anyone knows how to apply Super Shock cheek products, please let me know in the comments, because I haven't got a clue. I'm definitely all about powder products when it comes to cheap products, so this could be something new and exciting for me to try. So I will be putting that in my keep pile. Again, I don't know how much this is worth. I'm going to be putting that on the screen because it's still trying to load the page for the Lippy Pencils. Next, it looks like we've got a Super Shock shadow, and this one is in the shade Ripple, and this is an ultra glitter. I don't think this one's going to be for me either. Plus the fact that it is purple, and purple is not one of my favourite colours, especially when it comes to eye makeup, but it is really pretty. It is a kind of mermaid-esque type shade. I'm getting sort of Ariel type vibes out of that one. And it does have the kind of green flecks to it as well. I'm not going to swatch it because it's not a colour for me. I don't think I can see myself wearing this, and I'm not the biggest fan of the Super Shock shadow formula, especially one that says ultra glitter, so this one will be definitely going in the giveaway, but it is really gorgeous. It's such a shame it's not for me. So I feel like one of you guys is doing a lot better out of this mystery box so far than me. The next thing we have appears to be a mini eyeshadow palette, and this is from the Animal Crossing collab. I don't know anything about Animal Crossing at all, so this is going to mean nothing to me. It's cute packaging though. So this is the What a Hoot Pressed Powder Palette. I'm hoping by the fact that the box is orange that it is going to be more neutral, because I do think they had these palettes in some quite bright colours. So it is really cute with all the owls and things. And then this is the inside of the palette, so it is definitely a more neutral toned one, which is really good, and one I think I will keep because I have been wanting to try one of their quads, although this to me looks like a pressed glitter and I'm not a fan of pressed glitter, but the rest of the shades look promising. I'm trying to see, yeah, it does have a asterisk on saying not intended for the immediate eye area. It is a pretty glitter shade, but I just don't love pressed glitters, but I feel like I have kind of everything else I need with here. I've got a crease shade, a all over shimmer shade, and then an outer corner shade, so this one might be quite promising, and I just love how compact it is. I think these ones retail for about $10, but again, I'll put it on the screen. So we have another one going into my pile. And good timing because it isn't that long since I recently decluttered a load of eyeshadow palettes. I'm sure I can make room for this little one. Only a few more products left. The next thing we have here is, oh, it's a brush. This is the medium fluff brush. I really like this kind of ombre packaging here. So this is the F24 medium fluff brush. It's quite nice to receive a brush actually, because I don't think I've tried a Colourpop brush. So that is how this one comes. I really love the design of that one. It's like a bronzy kind of champagne shade on the handle, and then it has the gold there, and then that is a really nice soft brush. I don't really know what I would do with that though, because it seems too big for a highlighter brush and too small for kind of bronzer and blush. So what would I do with this? I like it, and it's definitely a different shaped brush to add to my collection, which is good because I feel like I have a large brush collection now and quite a lot, so it would actually add something. But yeah, I don't really know what to do with it, and to me it looks like it's kind of limited edition, so I don't know if I'll be able to find the price out of this, but I'll have a look and obviously put it on the screen. If anyone knows what I should be doing with this brush, please let me know in the comments because I'm quite intrigued, but I do really like it. Next thing we have is from 43 Beauty, and this is one of their face milks. This is the Chamomile face milk. I do have a couple of these in my collection already and I do absolutely love them, so I'm really excited to receive another one. And I don't think this is one I would have picked for myself because I always tend to go for the more fruity ones rather than sort of chamomile floral type ones, so I'm excited to see what this one's like. And this says it is calming and moisturising. I think these ones retail for, I think it's $14. Let me just see if this one's got a scent. So that's not got a strong scent at all. It's kind of like a milky sweet type of scent, so it's quite nice and it's not very strong at all. So I'm excited to give that one a go, and I say I do absolutely love these. I think it's two that I have in my collection. I think I've got the papaya one and the papaya and strawberry, and they are amazing products that are so moisturising on the skin. So yeah, excited to have another one of these. We have one final product which looks to be more skincare, and this is from, oh, this is from Soul Body. So this is a Shimmering Dry Oil, and this is in the shade Golden Pearl. So it's nice that we have had something from Colourpop, Forthright and Soul Body. I'm not a kind of oil on the body type person, so I don't think this one is for me, but I'm intrigued that I will have a look. So this is how it comes, and you can see it's obviously been kind of resting in transit, so let's shake that one up. So that is how that one looks. So it is really nice, but I don't really know what to do with it. I think when I'd seen these advertised before, I'd presumed they were going to come in like a spritzer type spray to sort of spray all over your body, but this looks like a kind of what a serum would be in, so it must be quite liquidy and you just rub it in. But then I don't really know what it means by dry oil. So it says it is a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. Shake well, massage onto the skin using fingertips or buff into the skin with a brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlights. So yeah, I don't think this one is for me. I don't think I've applied body glitter since about 1997. So yeah, I don't think I'll be using this one. So it looks like I received 12 products in total, which I think is really good. And looking at my 2 piles, it appears that I'm keeping 6, and then 6 are either going to get passed on to friends or go in the giveaway. So I suppose that's 50% of the box that's going to work for me. Obviously, because I've not been able to work out the value of each of the items, it's going to be quite hard to work out whether the box is worth it for me. But based on the fact that I've paid around about the £44 mark and I'm keeping 6 products, you're looking at about sort of £7.50 per product. And most of these I probably would pay that for, to be honest, especially this kind of face milk, which, yes, okay, I wouldn't have gone for the chamomile one, but it will be something different for me to try, and I know these are around about $14, so I would definitely pay £7 for that. Because this brush is a little different and I have heard really good things about Colourpop, I would probably pay £7 for that one. I don't think the mascara is going to be quite for me, so I probably wouldn't pay £7 for that, but I will give it a go. I would never have purchased this eyeshadow palette because I'm not into Animal Crossing, but because I know it is around the $10 mark, I probably paid what I should have paid for this one. But I like the colour story, just the theme isn't for me, but it might be a really nice palette. These Lippy Sticks are $7, which does equate to about £5, so technically I've overpaid for this one, but it is a more unique shade to add to my collection, so something I'm definitely not complaining about. And then I definitely wouldn't have purchased this blush, but looking at it on the back of my hand, it is definitely something different to add to my collection, and I'm quite intrigued to give the formula a go. I don't know how much these are at all, perhaps they're around the $10 mark, maybe a little bit less, so I've probably either paid the right amount or overpaid for this one. But if it came down to it and I had these in my basket on the Colourpop website and I was told it would cost me £44 to get them all, would I check out? Probably not, if I'm honest. So in that respect, this makes the box not worth it for me. But I've definitely had worse mystery boxes that I've paid for and not got much value out of them at all. So it definitely could have been worse. And I did know it was going to be all kind of old inventory and things. And to be honest, the shades that they've given me aren't completely out there like you can get with a lot of mystery boxes, so it's not a complete bust, but I don't absolutely love everything I've got. But I suppose, putting it this way, I've got some goodies, and then there are some goodies that are going to go into the giveaway as well. So did anyone else pick up one of these mystery boxes, and did you think you got your money's worth out of it? At the end of the day, a mystery box is just a bit of fun, and it was really nice going through everything and seeing what I got, seeing different products that I necessarily wouldn't have picked up myself. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.